flipping around.
Slippery.
But what do you do? Is it your first battle or is it your 100th battle? Well, regardless, we're about to get down to the ins, the outs, to how to prep for a battle. Let's go. By the way, it's Magnus.Magneto, if you didn't already know this face by now. Welcome, this is my channel. I do breaking and cool stuff. So yeah, if you wanna subscribe and watch more breaking content, this is the place to be. Okay, first things first, are you a set breaker? Are you a combo breaker? Or are you freestyle based, baby? Figuring that out first is really important because that's how you're gonna know how to train to prep for the battle. Okay, so how do you actually figure it out? Well, it's pretty simple. Do you choreograph most of your movement from top to bottom, or just like a big chunk of it? Or do you tend to make more little combos of movements? So like a 6-step to a thread, to a 3-step to a cough, and then continuing because you're pro like that. Or are you all freestyle? Do you just wing it? Do you just go in and just let go and let the music move you? Which one are you? Figure it out. Okay, great. Now once you've identified that, we can continue. If you're strictly freestyle based and you freestyle all your movement and you just wing it and you just go into battle and you just go and you just train and you just progress and you're just a full-on freestyle based B-boy or B-girl, then unfortunately, I can't help you too much because I am not. I am a set/combo B-boy, or I was gonna say or B-girl, but I guess I am a guy, so that wouldn't really work, right? Creating sets and combos is what's always worked for me throughout my breaking career, so that's what we're gonna focus on because that's where my knowledge is, because that's what's worked for me. And I don't want to give you guys false information, so I'm not gonna touch too much on freestyle, but we will touch on it a little bit. But again, if you're more freestyle based, I don't know this video is gonna be that helpful for you.
I am sorry.
But if you want to still kind of give me a shot and see what set and combo breaking is like, then feel free to continue. Let's get into it right now. Okay, for set freestyle base, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get either a book, a cell phone, an iPad, a MacBook, a laptop, basically anything you can use to take down notes. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna write down your sets, your combos, your filler moves, etc. So as you can see, I've done like original footwork here, combos, blah, 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 unfinished moves, ideas. This book is old school and it's ghetto, but it's basically what I did to remember all my sets and my combos. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get all your sets. You wanna write down every single one. Give them whatever name you can think of. Literally any name that in the moment while you're under pressure in battle you can think of and you'll remember just off one word or sentence, okay? So whether it's like 6-step baby freeze set or flying combo monkey ball buster set. Basically anything, as I said, that makes you think of the set, that's what you want to name it. So list them out, have at least 5, if not 10 or more, okay? As many as you can think of, as I said. Then once you've done that, go through your combos, okay? Combos and sets, the difference is a set is basically this. I consider a set something that goes on for longer than like 3 or 4 moves. Basically it's 5 to 15 moves, give or take, together. Usually like 15 to 30 seconds long. When a combo is something shorter, it's more like 3 to 8 moves, like a quick little hit combo, something like this.
One time for your mind,
So next you're writing out all your combos. Again, I would do at least 10 or 15 combos. These are more of your signature strong combos or blow-ups, etc. But again, not as long as an actual set. Then once you've done that, you want to do your filler moves. Your filler moves are basically everything that's not a combo and not a set. So it could be a little footwork combo, it could be literally just like a unique 6-step or your own signature top rock step or go down, whatever it is. I would recommend having like 10 to 25 of these, and you want literally again just list out anything that's not a fundamental move like basic 2-step or something. It's basically just your filler moves that you've created but haven't put anywhere. So these filler moves are perfect to be freestyled with and for hitting the beat and to go in and out of combos and sets as transition pieces. Okay, now that you have it all written out, we're gonna go in about a 3-month timeline. So this is 3 months prior to the battle. What you're gonna do in this time, as you have so much time before the battle is gonna actually be here, you're not gonna worry about drilling yet. because maybe you don't have that many rounds, maybe you don't have that many sets, combos, filler moves, etc. So what you're gonna do right here is just create. Just create your sets, solidify your combos, get more filler moves, and literally just break and keep creating until you're at a minimum of 5 combos, 5 sets, and 10 filler moves, and maximum of, there is no maximum because you want to have as many as possible, but try to aim for 5 to 10 of each. The timeline has progressed now. Now you're a month and a half away from battle. What you're gonna do now is drill all your combos and your sets. But basically how you're gonna do this, because you've got so many, hopefully by now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just choose 5, okay? Choose 5 of your sets, and then what you're gonna do before you leave every single practice, you have to hit each set 5 times. So that's 5 sets, each set 5 times. So that's 25 runs of your sets that you have to hit. You don't have to have it the best run ever. You don't even have to have it being fantastic. It just has to be not a fall, okay? If you crash, it doesn't count. But if you hit it even decently well, or even just like a pass, continue, okay? You don't want to completely kill yourself, but this should be pushing you. And the reason we're doing 5 of each one is because by the 4th or 5th one, you're gonna start getting more and more fatigued and tired, which is gonna emulate and give you a chance to actually experience what it would be like from the actual battle. Once that becomes easy and you can hit all your sets no problem, then make sure every practice you go to, you interchange which sets you're drilling, okay? And if you ever wanna drill more than 5, by all means, do as many as you want. Just try to gauge it so you're not killing yourself and you're not overworking yourself. Once you've drilled all your sets quite a few times and you're feeling very confident with all of them, what I want you to start doing is continue the drilling method, but now really try to freestyle each set to the music. So play different music, all different types, from fast-paced music to slow-paced to high BPM to low BPM, and everything in the middle, okay? Even different genres. Because that's gonna give you an opportunity to go slow in some sets and fast in some sets, and to hit some beats and have some pauses, and to have some where you just go, 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 go. And that's the point, because that's gonna actually give you a chance to learn how to make your set look not like a set, so it doesn't look forced in your actual battles. Because then when you're battling, it looks more freeform, which in turn is gonna give you a way better shot of actually making it past your first couple rounds. Because if you only ever drill your set to one type of music and they don't play that type of music in the battle, you're just gonna be lights out because you're not gonna know how to adapt that set to the music, which is really important. Prior to doing your 25 runs each practice, what I would recommend doing is literally 15 to 30 minutes of not just warm up, vibing, okay? So use this time to really freestyle and just get into it. Even if it's just like weird, creative movement, like whatever gets you loose and in a confident zone. So play the hypest music or the most chill music. Literally whatever your vibe is, play the music for that and let yourself go, because that's gonna get you into a loose mindset so that when you start drilling your sets, you're not gonna be too confined to, I just have to drill, I'm a robot, woo, woo. And you're gonna be more in a loose state of being, which is the goal. Okay, it's crunch time, baby. You're 1 week out. What I would recommend here is upping your freestyle and lowering your drilling, because you're getting really close now and you really wanna stop the confined set mentality and start the openness mentality. Because the reality is, when you're in the battle, you wanna look loose, you wanna look comfortable. You've already spent the last month and a half now, or almost month and a half drilling, so the movement should already be in your body. Now it's time to make that movement look more and more natural. So up the amount of time that you're freestyling, you're doing tops, footwork, your filler moves, etc., and down the drilling time. Still do your drills, but only up until 3 or 4 days out from the battle. And then you're gonna stop. Okay, it's 2 days away, baby. It's battle time now. What you're gonna do 2 days before the jam is just vibe, okay? Just condition, stretch, make sure you're doing all your injury prevention movement, and then just chill, okay? Chill tops or hype, whatever your vibe is. Get into that and really try to embody your most confident being. Because then when you go into the battle, 2 days from now, you're not gonna be super fatigued from drilling your combos and your sets. You're just gonna feel fresh and loose. Okay, 1 day away now. What I would recommend here is no practice at all, okay? No tops, nothing, just completely rest. You can still stretch, bath, sauna, etc. is all fantastic, but don't do any actual laboring movement because you want to keep your body nice, fresh, limber, etc. for the next day's battle. So you don't want to overwork yourself. Eat well, sleep well, and what I love to do, one of my kind of traditions is I'll go do like a hot bath, sauna, hot tub, whatever, and then I will close my eyes, really chill, take a breath, and I will visualize my sets, my combos. I'll go through them, I'll see myself doing it because you've been doing it for the past month and a half, so it should be really ingrained in your body. And then you're just gonna keep going through it. Just go through it and imagine yourself crushing it. Kill it, because that's gonna help your mental state of being so that for the next day, you're going into it really feeling mentally pumped up and ready to go. Okay, it's battle day, baby. It's battle day, let's go! So, what you're gonna do is first, how do I format my rounds? Well, I format my rounds like this. I'll have one set usually in it, sometimes two if I really wanna pack my round against someone that's like, the top person there, but usually I'll do about one set, okay? If that set starts right away as the person finishes their round, then I won't worry about top rock first. I'll go right into my set, okay? Once I've done my set, I'll leave space for some filler movement freestyle. So maybe I'll choose about one set, like one reply set, so that's starting right away, and then I'll have a little section of freestyle into one of my filler moves, okay? So that's set to filler move. Then from there, I'll go from the filler move into a combo, okay? This is a short hit combo, like I was talking about, 3 to 5 move base. Then I'll have some room for freestyle, and then I'll finish up the round. So that round had like no top rock in it, okay? Or another option can be, say you don't start right away with a reply, okay? So what I'll do is I'll leave the beginning, it's just top rock, freestyle top rock, all right? So I leave that open for whatever to come. Music, let me move me, okay? So I'm gonna do whatever movement on top, and then I'll go into a set right away. So as soon as I go down, I'll go into a set. Then from the set, again, I'll usually do a combo, filler move, etc., and then I'll end it. So my usual formula is one set, 1 or 2 filler moves, 1 combo, and then top rock wherever I can in the middle, beginning or end, okay? So if I want to have top rock in the middle, what I'll do is sometimes I'll go to my reply right away, hit them quick with a nice little, even if it's a combo, it doesn't have to be like a set. It could just be a reply combo, then you finish, okay? You hit them with the reply, then you chill in some tops, okay? And then once you've done your tops, then you go into your combo, and then you'll end with some filler, and then you'll finish your round. So there's lots of different ways to format it, and if you want a really packed round, I would go reply, set, into quick freestyle top rock, into combo, or even into another set right away, and then a little bit of freestyle, finish strong, okay? So literally just taking that formula and then just moving pieces around. And the reason this is gonna be so easy is because you're gonna have it all written down like we did in the very beginning, and then you're just taking pieces out. And yes, some people think this mentality is whack. That's fine, whatever works for you. For me, this worked great. And what I would do is when I'm in the middle of like, let's say I'm doing a full battle, okay? I've gotten through, I'm at like top 4 now. What I do every single time I've got a break in between my battles is I'll go, get my book, get my phone, whatever. I'll look through my combos and stuff and semi-prepare what I'm gonna do. Sometimes I'll know exactly what I'm gonna do. Other times I'll just have a couple combos kind of floating in my head and sets, and depending on how the music goes, I'll know which one to throw in the moment. Okay, now it's time to just actually battle. So what I would suggest doing on battle day is don't get up too early, don't get up too late, get up with a nice comfortable time to get ready, eat a light breakfast, then bring like light, nice stuff with you, okay? Don't bring heavy stuff with you. You don't need to be heavy before the battle. Just like nuts, protein bars, energy drinks if you really want. I don't usually use energy drinks. What I use is like Gatorade if I need to, or just water. That's what I would personally recommend, but if you really need the energy, then you can go with some kind of energy stimulant. But personally for me, I have enough! Then it's just time to crush it, baby! Crush it, rip it apart, smash that battle. Guess what? No matter how you do, win, lose, draw, you're already a winner in my books because look at it this way. You just spent the last 3 months or so prepping and progressed yourself from 0 to hero, baby. Because by the time of the battle, you've already progressed yourself so high that you're already winning. And that's the main point of it. The battle prep should get you to a state where you've already heightened your state of practice and being so that you're already a better B-boy or B-girl by the time of battle. And then the battle is just bonus. Treat it like bonus. That will take some of the nerves off and that will make you less hard on yourself if you're a perfectionist like I am, which is gonna make your life way easier. And on that note, thank you so much for tuning in. This was your boy, Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never Crew. If you liked this video, please comment down below. Tell me your thoughts. How do you battle prep? Did this work for you? Did this not work for you? Do let me know. And also, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and smash that bell button if you'd like to see more. If you want to support me, if you like my content and you learned something, feel free to support me on Patreon. And that would be very nice of you guys. And as always, have a beautiful day. Also, if you're a beginner, advanced, intermediate B-boy, I've got a full course, Breaking Made Simple. The link for the free download is down below. All you gotta do is join the Facebook group, Breaking Made Simple, which is also a hub for people to grow, B-boys, B-girls, for everybody to come together and just learn, progress, post your practice videos, share your practice videos, help each other, learn from each other. If you want to join it, feel free. It's free down below. It's your boy. Peace. So you're hungry, you want more. I was the same growing up as I started breaking and I'm the same now as I've continued breaking. Which is why I started a weekly newsletter every Monday, Mondays with Magnus, where I'll be sharing anything from breaking to health and everything in the middle that I've found that I can leverage to my advantage to becoming the best human being I can possibly be. To join, all you have to do is email me at magnus.ff94@gmail.com and I will see you Monday.